I'm here at the chapel, or what I like to call the labor camp, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Granberg G777 Alaskan mill. This is the unit here. It's mounted on my bigger saw right now, and all it is a guide. Right now it's set up to cut 1-inch thick boards. You change the depth of the cut simply by moving the mill up the guide bar. Once you set the depth of the cut, it's simply a matter of firing up the saw and pushing it along the timber with the guide bar. I've got a 5 or 6 foot log just about ready to go, so let's take a look. So here's the piece of red pine that we're going to mill. The tricky part is making that first cut and making it level, because a tree naturally tapers. For the first cut, you have to use some sort of a rail system. You can buy them, but I'm just using a 2x4 here. And again, I'm accounting for the taper. I suppose you don't have to, but I'm going to secure this 2x4 just to be safe. And one on each end. Now our mill has a flat and level surface to ride on. So now I'm going to change the depth of the cut just to accommodate that 2x4. And it's just a matter of loosening off these nuts and swinging the guide up. And there we are with the first cut. Look at that. Beautiful. That top cut, of course, is just a slab, firewood, because it's thin at one end and thicker in the other. So now I'm just going to adjust the depth gauge because I want to cut 1-inch boards. So now we're going to make our first board. with a beautiful piece of 1-inch live edge pine. And if you thought that was exciting, 4 minutes later, I've got a beautiful 2-inch slab. So that's a little tutorial on how to use the Granberg G777 small mill.